Frio Canyon announces Waterfalls Ranch. This roughly 225-acre hill country property comes with a brand new furnished cottage that's perfectly placed beside a spring-fed creek flowing with waterfalls nourishing ferns, madrones, matured oaks, and wildlife. The cottage is appointed with reclaimed wood flooring, top-shelf appliances, and a view that will leave you breathless. This ranch has hiking trails along the creek, leading up to 2,300-foot vistas overlooking the entire Frio Canyon Valley. Waterfalls Ranch ownership means sharing all the Frio Canyon amenities, including concierge services, a skeet range, multiple Frio River access points, miles of hiking and biking trails, and a spectacular 5-mile Jeep trail with scenic views and far-reaching vistas. This ranch is 10 minutes from Leakey, an hour from Kerrville, and an hour and a half from San Antonio and Fredericksburg. Waterfalls Ranch is part of Frio Canyon, a gated community nestled along the Frio River with underground electricity, high-speed fiber, and community water. Waterfalls Ranch is one of the most unique ranch properties in the state of Texas, offering both private ranch acreage in addition to a small community of families who enjoy great music, good food, the outdoors, and most of all, time with friends and family. Frio Canyon, where getting away brings you closer to what matters.